what to do. Get up, and get ready to fight. Go nuts, get wild. Let's go. Get up, and get ready to fight. Go nuts, get wild. Let's get wild. Let's get wild. La 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 la. Get up and get ready to fight. Go nuts, get wild, let's go. Get up, and get ready to fight. Go nuts, get wild. Get up, and get ready to fight. Go nuts, get wild. Let's get wild. Let's get wild. La 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 la.
Hi, mahal, Master. Happy anniversary. Happy 3rd anniversary. Magpasalamat lang di ay ko sa tanan nimong nabuhat nako sama sa pagluto, paghatod kuha, sa imong pagdala nako sa lain-laing lugar, and for the adventures with your big bike. And mas excited gid ka sa kong birthday for me kaysa nako. Thank you pod sa pag-effort nga ni-propose jud ka, nangatubang ka sa akong parents, nilabang gid ka sa among isla.
Everywhere I'm looking out.
Remember this, love is not just a feeling,
Feel your halo.
it is a commitment.
Chantana, first of all, I would like to tell you that I love you and I am very grateful for your unconditional love. I promise to God and to you that I will always be here for you through high and low. I promise to always make sure you're taken care of and my first priority. I promise to tell you that I love you every time I go out the door. You make me the happiest person, not just today, but for the rest of my life. I love you so much.
This risk that I'm taking, I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking out, I'm surrounded by your embrace.
Know that I appreciate all your efforts. So as we move to the next chapter of our lives, I promise to help you build our family. I will submit myself to you truthfully and wholeheartedly. I will respect you and your life decisions. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you and see you later.
I can see your halo. I can see your halo. I can see your halo. I can see your halo.
Sa katong kalibutan nga gipuy-an walang forever. And that is true. But only God is forever. And if you put God as the center of this, I assure you there will be forever.